There are women who are sitting. Women have turned up in large numbers. And the reason why they have turned up in large numbers is because they believe that they will have the economic benefits from this particular project. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं? अच्छा, सुबह कितने बजे चले थे? 7 बजे। आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर से क्या बात करेंगे? क्या बोलेंगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर को? हाँ, अच्छा, मजदूरी नहीं आ रही। लेकिन क्या आपको लगता है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर और चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कुछ महिलाओं के लिए अच्छा काम किया है? किया है। क्या क्या काम अच्छा किया है? अच्छा, क्या आपको सुरक्षित महसूस होता है? होता है। क्या आपको लगता है कि आप सुरक्षित हैं?
मैम, सुरक्षित भी है, सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है। पर ये महंगाई के दौर से ज्यादा महिलाएं परेशान चल रही हैं।
महंगाई से परेशान है?
ज्यादा महंगाई से परेशान।
लेकिन सुरक्षित महसूस करते हैं?
हाँ, सुरक्षित है।
सुरक्षित है।
हाँ जी, हमारे नेता एकदम अच्छे हैं।
अच्छे हैं।
महंगाई कम कर दे। महंगाई बहुत है, बस मजदूर आदमी क्या खाए क्या करे।
So, Pauline, mixed reactions coming here. Most of the people are talking about the high inflation, but definitely the large turn-up shows that the women in particular are happy with the work which Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as Chief Minister have done. Most of them also hoping that in the years to come, their economic independence will increase. They'll get more money for the work which they do. And definitely, most of the women, in fact, woke up early in the morning to reach the spot. And it's not just the men. The number of women here will also give you a glimpse of the kind of fan following both Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath are commanding in Western Uttar Pradesh at the moment. Pauline.
Right, so a mega project which is to be launched by the Bharatiya Janata Party and the central government in a short while from now. Prime Minister Modi will be laying the foundation stone for the Noida International Airport, which is likely to have a capacity of about 1.2 crore flyers a year as it becomes operational in 2024. That is the target which the Uttar Pradesh government has set itself. Aishwarya, this was a project which was envisaged at least 15 to 16 years ago, at the time that Rajnath Singh was in fact the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and finally it is seeing the light of day.
समय कम है, प्रधानमंत्री जी बहुत जल्द ही आपके बीच पहुंचने वाले हैं और मुख्यमंत्री जी आपके नीचे बैठे हुए हैं।
Well, this is one area which has always been the hot, which has always been, boiling with the kind of politics that we see now. We did see how the Purvanchal Expressway was aimed at keeping those on, telling those people who stay in the Purvanchal side that there is development being done for you. And now, talking about the Jewar Airport, this is being done to make sure that everyone in Western Uttar Pradesh understands its importance. And the timing, obviously, some people are questioning the timing of it, but as far as the government is concerned, they are saying that they are right on track. They had promised an airport, they are saying that they themselves have pumped in close to 4,000 crore rupees. The government has pumped in that kind of money to acquire the land, to give the land, to give money to the farmers from which the land was acquired. So everything is on track, and we are expecting the Prime Minister to reach here very shortly. Pauline, once the Prime Minister reaches, we will see the cultural program. People have turned up from Ayodhya, people have come from Mathura. All those cultural programs will be done here, and the people here very excited to see and to hear what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has to say. They all believe that this project is a big ticket project, something which only Bharatiya Janata Party has been able to do. Many people had promised the airport, but they believe that it is only the central government and the state government which is actually working on it. And obviously the other big ticket projects, be it the film city, we talk about defense corridor, all those things will together make sure that Uttar Pradesh becomes the hub once again. Pauline.
Absolutely. So it's raining bonanza for Uttar Pradesh as we speak right now. Aishwarya, stay on with us.